Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on YouTube. Alright guys, so I'll be showing you how to actually sell your digital products from creating the content to actually making your first sale. So let's get into it. The most important thing is understanding what digital products are and how you can utilize them in platforms like YouTube or any other social media platform. Alright, so I looked up the meaning of digital products and it says here digital products are intangible, non physical goods such as ebooks, templates, courses, and software that are created once and sold online repeatedly, often delivered instantly via a download. Now, these high demand, low cost items eliminate shipping and inventory, offering high profit potential and automated passive income streams for creators. All right, so with that out of the way, we now have to understand why selecting a profitable niche is important for your sales and growth as a business using YouTube. All right, so you have to select a niche that actually trends, a niche that makes you some money. So some of the niches that are provided are ebooks, courses, guides, workshops, Canva templates, stock photos, graphic designs, planners, checklists, worksheets, art prints. Now these are some really good ones to sell via YouTube. Now here's how you can easily go about this. Your first step would be the designing phase. So we've selected artworks as our, you know, our designing, uh, what we're going to be designing. So just simply head over to templates on Canva. Make sure you have a Canva account. If you can get a Canva Premium, it will be better. All right, so all you need to do here is quite simple. Just go ahead and use the search at the top to simply search for something like art. So let's just say wall art. We're looking to download or create wall art. Now let's hit enter. Now you're going to see a list of designs you can use. Now these are Canva prints. So Canva prints are basically the same as the art prints here. The difference is they are made on canvas. All right, so now all you need to do is just select a design you'd like to customize, edit, work around, and you can find any design. Canva is full of designs, both the free ones and the paid. So I'm just going to be going with one of them here. Let's say I want to go with this one right here. All right, so go ahead and click on customize this, and it's going to open up in a new tab. And I believe this might be a picture, but now you can actually edit the colors of this picture to make it look a bit, different and stand out. So all you need to do is just, as usual, customize it until it gives you the style you're looking for. And once you've been able to get what you're looking for from the design, you can easily click on share here and download. Now, how it relies on YouTube for your sales is you need an active community. You need to be producing and making content on YouTube and selling this content with your works inside. So basically, you could make a video and then also attach your digital product as a sale or a support system. So your community people can support you. So people on your community can actually, want to work for you or want to help you by purchasing these digital products. All right. So like I said, once you've designed your digital product, just click on download here. The best format would be PNG as it's for complex files. And then once you've selected everything and it's to your liking, hold on, let me go ahead and make the canvas or the base black. All right, and just go ahead and click on share, click on download again, and it's going to begin downloading. Now you can head back to YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, you can also head into your um, channel. So you must own a channel. So please make sure you have a channel and just click on view your channel. So once your channel opens up, all right, guys. So once you're on your YouTube account, just head over to YouTube Studios. And once you're at YouTube Studios, head over to the Earn section. Now, it is on this section once you are eligible for the creator program on YouTube. You can simply attach your links, your business links. These are links you can get when you go to when you own accounts from platforms like Gumroad. So let's say you're using Gumroad for your products. Let's say this is where your products are listed at. So you can simply list your products both on YouTube as, a channel. You can also list it as, a Gumroad user. Just simply click on start selling, create your account, or rather log into your existing account. And then your link that will be taken from here. Let me show you. Let's just go ahead and log in. So just simply log into your Gumroad account. Once you've logged into Gumroad, from the home section, just head over to where we have products and click on products. Now, once you've clicked on products, go ahead and click on add new product. The product we're going to be adding is a digital product. So click on it and enter the name. So we're going to call it wall art. And all you need to do now is enter a price. So you could set up a poll on your YouTube account so that your followers can simply select how much they want to pay to have your art on their walls. So let's say a fair price of $3. Now all we need to do here is simply scroll and click on customize, which is at the top right. And then in terms of description, you can now go ahead and describe your product. You can now make sure your URL matches with your channel's name. You can enter a cover photo, which should be your channel's logo. And you can also enter a thumbnail, which could be maybe something related to your channel. And once you've filled out all of these sections, you can now move into content itself and then simply click on upload and upload a file from your computer, which would then be the image we had downloaded from Canva. Now, once you're done, just go ahead and publish it. And once you're done publishing it, head back to YouTube. And once you're back on YouTube, you could just simply attach that link to your existing account there. It could be in the descriptions. You could find it in your dashboard or the customization area of your channel. You could just add it to the channel description here, and people can simply, follow it. Or you could even add external links here that will lead people directly to your Gumroad account. All right, guys, so that's how you can go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.